let's say this is a graph. Okay, there's something called as cut in a graph. Okay, what cut means is it's basically a set of edges. The set of edges, if you remove the set of edges, the graph divides into two parts. A connected graph divides into two parts. When I say connected, it basically means I can go from any vertex to any other vertex. So this one graph, right? There might be a graph like this. So in this particular graph structure, I can't go from vertex 1 to vertex 3 because there is no connectivity between them. So this is a disconnected graph. The graph I just draw in the above picture, it's a connected graph. So that's what I mean by connected. So cut in a graph means if you just remove those vertices, it will become from connected to unconnected graph, no connected graph. Right? So here, if I say, I can say these edges are a cut. This edge 1 and this edge 2. If I just remove these two edges, my graph will be divided into two parts. That's what a cut means. Okay. Now we'll see how can I use this definition to say how to find out the right algorithms for our graph structures. Okay. So let's say this is my graph and there is one node. There is one node here. There is a connectivity between these nodes. I call it U. I call it V. It is connected somehow. Okay. And there might be connectivity from here to here. Okay, what I represent here is the graph structure. Here I'm only considering these two nodes. I'm only focusing on these two nodes, which is U and V. U can be connected to any other nodes or a set of nodes. V also can be connected to any set of nodes. If this is my cut that I'm representing by the red line, these set of edges are my cut, right? Now if I remove these edges, my graph will be divided into two parts. One on the left with U has a vertex, one on the right with V as a vertex. Now I have to find out how do I figuring about minimum path, right? Okay, if I want to see, if I want to connect these two, let's say you remove all the edges which are over the red line. So I remove this edge, I remove this edge, and I remove this edge. So now the graph is disconnected. What is the minimum edge that I should add so that the graph becomes connected again? You can say edge 1, edge 2, edge 3, right? You want to add an edge to this particular graph so that it becomes connected again. What should the edge that you should add? Ideally, it should be the minimum edge connecting these two components, right? Let's say I was saying the UV was the minimum edge. So if I just add U and V, I know the graph is connected because U is connected to other set of vertices here, V is connected to the set of vertices here, and I connect U and V. So basically, I can reach from any point in this graph to another point in this graph because there is a connectivity now, right? So what we so here, because if you add any other edge, your weight will increase. Okay, let's say think about this in this way. Okay, let's say your question was somehow it can like you want to find the minimum weight graph, okay, such that all nodes are connected. When I say nodes, basically vertices. Okay, that was your question. Let's assume I do found the minimum weight subgraph here that means all the vertices. I also have some structure here which connect all the vertices. Now I do have two disconnected components of a graph. I want to connect them. How do I connect them so that I do preserve the property of minimum weight graph? You will want to connect them with the minimum weight graph, right? Minimum weight edge, whichever the edge was there in the cut, whichever was the minimum weight edge, you pick that edge and then you connect it. So here U and V is one of the edge that says the minimum edge. You connect it. Somehow, if I don't connect with U and V, let's say I connect different edge, but I know the weight of this edge 1 E1. Let's say this edge E2 is. I know the weight of E1 is less than weight of E2. If I use E2 to connect these two components, I am increasing the overall weight of my answer, overall weight of my subgraph. I don't want that. I simply want to minimize the weight. So I'll end up picking E1 because E1 is the minimum weight edge that connects these two components. So this is a very important concept, the concept of cut. So which edge you should pick in a cut? Here I'm picking a minimum weight edge in a cut. Because if I pick higher weight edge, I end up adding more weight to the graph while my whole idea was to minimize the graph. Okay.